So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom bar here and press on the Explore button. Once you're here at the top, press on Search and type in Ethereum. So for me, it's actually two options down, but you can also type in ticker symbol ETH for Ethereum. At the top, there's your number one option. Press on that. So once you're here on the Ethereum page, just go to the bottom and press on the purple Buy ETH or Buy Ethereum button. Once you're here, type in the amount. So if I want to type in $1, it'll say minimum transaction is $10 or 12.50 Canadian. So once that is done, you can go ahead and press on the purple arrow right here. And once you're on this page, you can confirm your purchase by pressing on the check mark and then pressing confirm this way if you want to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ethereum on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.